Next job, it is basically an Ideal Logic. I was here, I think, end of last week, and I at-risked it because the flue manifold, as you know, these get brittle and crumble. It was a bit more wet when I came last time, but we're changing that. And also when I put the boiler into low fire, you know what normally goes on, that the gas valve starts sounding like Rolf Harris is playing his Didgeridoo.
This is the shortest, most playable one.
So that needs to be changed. I can't adjust the low. The low readings were quite high when I was here. So I'm going to change that, take the burner out, wash the heat exchanger through. So let's make a start. So first things first, let's get the fan off. Isolate the gas valve or the gas supply. Get your gas isolated. Gas valve out, which is the one I want to replace anyway. Okay. Fan out. That comes out as well. Now to get the burner out. 8mm socket, or this one's actually a ratchet spanner, just because the flue assembly is in the way. And this one here as well. So the back ones do not need to come out. You just need to loosen them and it slides forward. Put the gloves on because my hands are bloody starting to burn. That back nut is just so stiff. All right, out. This bugger, got it out. So again, inspect the burner. I want to get a new seal for this. But see, you shouldn't need to remove them because it does slide in and out. Just this one is being awkward. Let's have a look inside here. So yeah, that's the heat exchanger in there. Let's give that a clean. New gasket. Assortment of brushes. This one's, I think, my favorite one for this. Just flush it out with some water. Right, a brush. Syringe jobby. And I just put a hose pipe and flush. There we go. Just want to now brush the electrodes. Done. And now to strip the seal. It's been nice and cleaned. New gasket. Gasket on. These blooming gloves off. That's in place. Start with the studs in the back. So yeah, it's just an 8mm little socket on a ratchet. This one done. And where's the next one? This one here done. I'll just take the fan apart. Using a brush, in and out jobby. Take the injector off. All the way back there. There we go, got it. That's clean enough for me. No more dust coming off. And inject the same way, give that a clean. Strips to clean this. Like so, you can get nice and shiny. And then I use one of these wire brushes, just in here, like so. And just give that a nice clean inside there as well. Completely nice and clean. I'm going to clean the top edge as well a little bit. That'll do me, I'm happy with that. Now to put it all back together again. Done. Fan looks alright. That goes on there. Clip this in first. There you go, that's that. And that connects on there. 8mm again. New gas valve, washer off, the earth on, electrical connection on. And that one goes back up there. Just line it all up, get it hand tight. Once it all lines up, nip it up. I always like to put silicone grease. Seal on that as well. More grease. Up it goes, pull it down, done. This seal looks okay, nothing wrong with it. I'm just going to just apply some silicone grease. Let's take the condense trap out. And here what I've made is a coned bung on a hose pipe, so that I can now push that in there and flush the condense pipe. And now that goes in there, like so. Hold that over the condense pipe nice and tight, and away you flush. There you go. That's now forcing water all the way down and clearing the condense pipe as well. Get the condense trap back into position. Connect that back up. Done. Gas back on. LDF. Everything up. Just checking at the back now where the seal's been replaced. For any process of combustion leakage. Nothing. Service mode activated. That is now running on minimum. I'm happy with that. That is 39 parts per million, 40 parts per million on low. That was going up in the 3000s when I was here the other day. Hence why I had to at-risk it and come back with a new gas valve. But as you can see, that's resolved that. Up and down again. Now it's going to go on high fire. So yeah, that's basically a strip service on a Ideal Logic that you have seen me do. it isn't much. The only other thing I could have done is charge the expansion vessel on this visit. However, I did it on the last visit, so I know that's done. That was charged to 1 bar. Condenser has been cleaned out, electrodes cleaned, new burner seal. Gas valve, obviously you can't calibrate on high and low on this boiler, hence why I had to replace it. New flue manifold because it had a hole in it. Yeah, the boiler's all done now. I'm happy with this. I'm just gonna go and gas rate it, and I'll see you at the next one.